Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! In today's video, dadalhin ko kayo sa isa sa pinaka-magical na Christmas spot sa Metro Manila. Ito ang Okada Manila Christmas Carnival. Kung naghahanap kayo ng lugar na festive, fun, Instagrammable, at perfect for family bonding or barkada night out, ito na yon. So tara, let's explore the Okada Manila Christmas Carnival. Pagpasok mo pa lang, iba na talaga yung vibes. Andito yung signature Okada Manila Christmas decorations na super grand, super colorful, at ang daming photo spots. Sa entrance pa lang, makikita mo na agad yung giant Christmas tree. Ang daming sparkling lights at ang carnival setup na parang mini theme park. Pagpasok mo sa loob, sobrang saya talaga, para akong binalik sa pagkabata. May music, maraming food booths, maraming shops, at makikita mo yung mga classic na carnival rides. Pero level up siya, as in Okada style. Sobrang mag-e-enjoy talaga ang mga kids nyo dito. Kasi merong carousel, merong mini Ferris wheel, merong mga bumper cars, mga inflatables, at kung ano-ano pa. For the adults naman, meron ding mga carnival games like ring toss, shooting games, at iba pang mga mini challenges. May chance ka to win plushies and small prizes. Maganda yung vibe sa loob kasi hindi masyadong intense yung mga rides. Perfect at safe for the kids. It's really family friendly, relaxing, at sobrang daming perfect spot for Christmas photo walks. By the way, libre nga pala ang entrance dito. Walang entrance fee, wala kayong babayaran para makapasok sa Okada Manila Christmas Carnival. Kung itatanong nyo naman magkano yung mga rides, ang mga ride tickets usually around 150 to 250 pesos per ride. For the food naman, it's around 80 to 250 pesos depende sa stall. For the games naman, it's around 100 to 200 pesos per game. Oo nga pala, yung mga rides and games, they accept cards and GCash. For the food naman, most of them accepts cash only. Syempre, hindi kumpleto ang carnival without the food. Sobrang daming mga booths na nagbebenta ng mga iba't ibang klaseng food dito. Meron mga popcorn, barbecue, and carnival style snacks. May cotton candies, light meals, and quick bites. At syempre, meron ding coffee at mga sweet treats. Madami ring mga chairs and tables where you could enjoy your meals. Sobrang na-enjoy talaga namin yung mga food dito. Favorite ko, yung Ilocos empanada, tsaka yung parang Taiwanese na buns, na fried buns. Yun, masarap yun. Try nyo yun pag pumunta kayo dito. Sa mga shops naman, sobrang dami rin na mapagpipilian. Daming mga damit, mga dresses, mga shirts, even Christmas decorations, mga souvenirs, even mga pabango, soaps, and so much more. Perfect din to kung naghahanap kayo ng place para bumili ng mga pang Christmas gift nyo. Kung pupunta kayo with your friends or family, ganito siguro yung gawin nyo. Start kayo in the afternoon, around 4 p.m. to explore the carnival rides and the games. Then grab some early dinner or holiday eats sa mga stalls, and as the night falls, watch the fountain show plus live performances. Then chill, stroll around the Christmas lights and Christmas tree, take a lot of photos, and mag-enjoy sa mga rides ulit. Maybe cap the night with dessert or some drinks before heading back home. Kung gusto nyo ng less crowded, go early, around mga 4 to 6 p.m. Pero kung gusto nyo yung full Christmas lights experience, go after 6 p.m. Kasi yun yung time na nag-a-alive yung buong lugar. Weekdays are also less crowded than weekends. So be sure to plan your trip ahead. Be sure to bring your camera or your phone kasi ang dami talagang IG-worthy spots dito na pwede kayong mag-picture. Wear also comfortable shoes kasi medyo malaki yung space or yung place and maraming lakad-lakad na gagawin. Also bring cash kahit may cards ka kasi some stalls are cash only. Plan for photos like yung light tunnel, yung carousel, and Christmas tree are the perfect photo spots. This is really perfect for families and for kids because it's safe, clean, at very kid-friendly talaga. So yun guys, that's our full experience dito sa Okada Manila Christmas Carnival. So if you're looking for a fun, magical, and super festive place to visit this holiday season in Metro Manila na libre at walang entrance fee, worth it talagang pumunta dito sa Okada Christmas Carnival. So yun, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment nyo rito kung saan nyo gustong pumunta next. Happy Holidays!